Okay, so many times clients come and post a job and then they never revisit the job again. And well, that, you know, waste our connects because we really like the job and we think we can do the job, and then we apply, but we don't get any response. And then later it turns out that the client has never revisited the job again. So this is one of the things that we need to keep in mind before sending a proposal. If, let's say, if a job has been posted a few hours ago or some time ago and the client has not visited the job to view the proposals, then I would personally avoid sending a proposal to that kind of job. So I would prefer sending a proposal to the job where client has returned after posting a job to review the proposal. So how can we find those jobs? Right now I'm on the Upwork job search screen. I'm looking at these jobs and I have no idea uh, which are the jobs that a client has come back to review it after posting it. So I have created a Chrome extension. It's called Upwork Client Activity Filter. As a freelancer, maximizing your chances of landing the right job on Upwork is crucial. However, many clients post jobs and never revisit them, making it frustrating to apply for jobs that aren't actively monitored. So what this extension does, I will paste the link in the description so you can download, and these are the instructions to download and install the extension. So I've already installed the extension here and I'm going to click here. All I have to do is click this button and it will hide all those jobs where the clients never return to review the proposals. So I'm going to just click on filter jobs and let's see what happens. Okay, so it hit one job, it hit two jobs. Okay, so out of these 10 jobs, two were hidden because the clients never returned to those jobs to review the proposals, but the rest of the jobs the clients have come back to review the proposals after posting the job. So let's say I'm going to click here just to verify, and you can see the last viewed by client is 24 minutes ago. And another random job, I'm going to click here, and the last viewed by client 15 minutes ago. So it means that these clients are at least serious in hiring. Okay, some of the clients, they just post a job and they forget, or they probably post on multiple platforms and then they never revisit the job on Upwork. But at least these clients, we can at least hope that these clients will review our proposals, and we will have a better chance of nailing these jobs. So you can use this extension to hide the jobs where the clients don't come back to review the proposals, and it will just only show you the jobs where the clients have returned to review the proposals after posting the jobs. As you can see here, last viewed by client 26 minutes ago. So this was the video about the introduction of this new extension in my tool set. So enjoy the extension and I will see you in the next video.